Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a big order from the Custom Saber Shop. Most of this is going to be supplies for installation, so I thought I would try my hand at starting out simple and doing some simple installations to some of the stunts I get in my mystery box orders. So I should have most everything I need for five sabers in here to convert them to sound. Alright, well, I ordered every gauge wire they had in about a 10-foot length, and it looks like it's all together. I didn't expect that. I thought it would be separated. Also got heat shrink in just about every color they have. Again, all bundled together. I'm a little disappointed at that one, because it'd be nice if it was separated by size and maybe labeled. Maybe I'm asking too much. Alright, well, I got 10 batteries, one for each saber and one spare. Trust Fire 18650s. I wasn't expecting everything to be bundled up so well together, but I guess that's how it all fit. I also kind of ordered capacitors and buck pucks all because I've got a couple of RGBs. I didn't know 100% what size I would need. I just got everything they had since they're so inexpensive, and I just ordered like 5 of everything. Here's my speakers. I got the Deluxe bass speaker, 28mm. Looks good. Times 5. Yep, I just ordered the same speaker for everything. I read some good reviews on that bass speaker, so we'll see how it does. That's what we got here. Try not to tear up the bubble wrap because I like to reuse it. I can't keep everything, and so when I sell stuff, I try to use the bubble wrap I've already paid for, so to speak, and not have to buy anything else. I'm not going to bore you with going through everything, but I do have, well, a little bit of everything. I've got some heat sinks in here. It's just all in here together. With the hole in the center, I thought they were out of the heat sinks with a hole in the center. I'm glad I've got a couple here. Because of the RGB, I can just run all the wires down the center. I don't know, maybe it came with LED. Momentary switches. Got one of those. I got some of every type, basically because the stunts already have the hole cut, and so not knowing which one I need to switch out, I went ahead and got momentary guarded switches and momentary AV switches. Oh good, I'm out of these. Love these 832 thumb screws. Great for blade retention, give it a little more flair. So kind of surprised. Wow, that's not even labeled at all. That's unfortunate. moving along. I got battery chargers times 5. Battery holder. All 5 of them are there. And the most important thing in the box, right here, Crystal Focus 10 sound cards. Got 5 of them. Comes with a 8 GB SD card. Now here's the card. It's already sealed. I'm not going to cut it open just yet. There it is though, CFX card. Alright, that's going to do it for that box. But normally I'd call it quits on the video. But instead of making a separate video, I got another box from here. Let's go ahead and open that while we're at it. Make this one just a little bit longer and not bother with a separate video altogether. I've ordered so much from TCCS lately, I'm not 100% sure what's in here, but I think it's my vented pommels. The pommels are okay, they're fine. They're not my first choice, not what you would say my favorite would be, but I kind of had to go with what they had in stock that would likely match anything. I don't like the extreme low profile ones with the knurling on them. I thought this might have a little bit more flair than that. Not very fancy, but again, I wasn't going for fancy. I was going for what's in stock that will match most any hilt. So that's what I went with. So this is the MPS Pommel Style 5. And they were $8 a piece. Oh, yes, the third factor, not only availability and something that will match most anything, was third criteria was those two and affordable. And at $8, it looked better than the low profile one that's knurled. So that's it. That's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, we'd appreciate a subscription.